Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Hi, I'm Marcy Dondershein, and I'm an occupational therapist. And in 2007, I had symptoms that were mimicking multiple sclerosis, but come to find out I had a bulging disc at C5-6 that was bulging into my spinal cord. So I had symptoms all the way down my body. So I had a surgery for that, a subsequent surgery at C4-5 the next year. And since that time, I've had just chronic pain in my neck, loss of range of motion, pain that goes up the back of my neck into my head. And I just haven't really been able to find anything.
How many years now?
So the last surgery was 2009, and so the last 7 years.
Seven years. Last 7 years. Mm-hmm. How much pain from 0 to 10 at worst?
At certain times, it's been debilitating. At certain times, like maybe a 7 would be the highest. Mm-hmm. But on a daily basis, it's like a 2 to 3. 2 to 3,
that's a constant pain.
Pretty constant pain,
yeah. And you were mentioning stuff about your headache. Can you let me know? Can you talk about that?
So I get the pain that goes up the back of my head. It doesn't really come in here unless it's just like a seasonal allergy kind of headache. But I feel like from the neck, like if I sleep on a pillow that's too high, or in my work, if I'm doing a lot of neck flexion, like bending down over, I work with kids, then I just get this pain that goes up the back of my head. Mm-hmm. And then just, I really feel like I have loss of range of motion when I come this way, especially shooting pain down into this area. Mm-hmm. So that's the main.
Any other symptoms?
Once in a while, my arms will be achy. And I know that's from my neck because prior to my second surgery, that's how I knew my neck, another disc had bulged, I thought I had broken my thumb. It was so achy down in here. So as soon as I get that achy feeling in my hands, then I know that
you don't have achy now, or do you have?
Now I don't. Now I don't. Mm-hmm.
So can you tell me what type of treatment you had before?
I've had some physical therapy that was more of just trying to release the.
Manually with the hand.
Yes.
Release the neck area. Okay.
And some, manipulation for movement, range of motion.
Okay.
Which I feel like helped some during that time, but I never, after those surgeries, really got back to where I was pain-free.
Okay. All right. Did you have any other treatment other than PT? Physical therapy?
No.
Okay. All right. So everything we do here should not aggravate your symptoms. Okay. So first we're gonna just visually take your range of motion, extend and flex, and see how far.
Okay.
Let's go back. And you let me know what is the tightness when you do that.
There's some tightness at the very end range of motion.
An occipital area?
Yes.
Okay. Flex. That's tight.
It's super tight down the right side. It just feels like a rubber band is being pulled. Mm-hmm. And I've been trying to stretch by doing, holding this and just to.
So rotate left and right.
Again, that sends pain down into my trap muscle.
Okay. So the range of motion, restrictive extension, and flexion. So I'm going to release it with, I call it A1.
Okay.
Instrument, ASTR instrument, and we'll see how we feel with that. Any discomfort with that?
No.
Okay. Okay, how does it feel now? Can you tell me more? Can you feel the mobility?
Should I flex my,
We'll do that.
I can feel
Ping pong ball. Size.
Okay.
And I don't know, in the camera you can visually see it. The fibers is actually sticking out here. And the side, there's nothing here. You feel that? Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Bottom here.
Yes.
Let's see if you have the same thing on the other side. Okay. Can you tell the difference between this side and the other side? Okay. I feel this is bigger. Can you feel the same, or?
Yes. No, I feel like this is.
And you said it's more sharpening on that side. Okay. It
actually feels good.
Okay, that's you get a lot of. Any hip trauma?
No.
You still feel the headache or the headache gone?
The headache's actually gone.
Good. Alright. Okay. Any discomfort with that?
I mean, it kind of hurts where your fingers are.
Oh, make sure you let me know, okay?
Okay. It's not unbearable, but I feel
I want to make sure you're not really experiencing discomfort. Tuck your chin. Tuck your chin. Okay. And relax, there you go.
It feels deep.
Feels deep on that area?
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
alright. And flexion extension is fine? Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like full range of motion extension.
Okay, and this doesn't hurt quite as much.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like I can go
I
further.
don't expect you're gonna gain a lot of friction because the rod.
Yes, I'm fused at those two levels.
So the fuse, so we'll have your hardware limitation.
And I think more range of motion.
Yeah.
I still feel some tightness when I do this and a little bit of pain.
How
Or
much
like
from
maybe a
zero to there?
2.
Okay.
Not in the middle, just down this top trap.
Mm-hmm.
And this is much better.
This is much better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you feel it on the top. Okay, let's line it back. Relax, relax. Okay, there's a work outside. Is that painful?
Yes.
Make sure it's not painful.
So it feels better, and I definitely have more range of motion. I still feel some tight, a little pain. I would still say maybe a 2.
Okay. And
Right through there.
Okay. So, what I want you to do is do 10 to the right, 10 turning to the right. Pain free, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you counting? If you're not counting, we're going to do 200, okay?
That's 8.
Okay. And relax. How's that?
It's much better.
Mm-hmm.
I feel a twinge,
Mm-hmm. But the pain is
but much more movement without that
Mobility.
sharp pain.
so flex extend. It's a good range of motion. I think that's your normal extension.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
It feels just a little tight now, but I don't feel that sharp pain that was
The sharp
going on. Yeah.
You have a big scar tissue, so we need to work on it a little bit more, so
Okay.
to get the full range of motion with that.
Mhm.
So, can you tell me what you think about the ASTR treatment?
It's great so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing, really.
Yeah. That's good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.